Splash with your feet.
Let's see you kick, babe.
Whoa, you're really moving now. Now you're getting good.
Good girl.
You're getting real good. Hey.
Good girl, Shay.
Man. Yeah, take you back to Grandma's house and show her what you need to do.
Come on. Come on, boo-boo.
Say, come, look what I
Kick,
learned
kick, kick,
since
kick, kick, kick,
Wednesday.
kick. Kick your feet. Splash your feet. Splash with your feet. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that splash with the feet seems to work.
Good girl.
Yeah, the kicks.
You're almost there.
That's a football.
You gonna go swim to the football? Go swim to the football, babe.
You feel natural, don't you? Feel like you're at home, huh? Feels good, don't it? Girl loves it. Hold on to the wall.
Come here, boo.
You can hold on to the wall. Grab the wall. Try again.
Got it? No, you want to do it by yourself? Okay. Come on.
Want to get out?
It's cold.
You're cold? Why don't we get wrapped up in a towel?
It's cold.
Okay.
Come on, hold on.
Whoop. Say, Daddy,
You gotta hold
stop
on,
it.
silly.
No. No.
Why do you keep letting go? Silly.
Come on.